honestly, in your house also, when something breaks, who gets the solution order? In my house, it's me. Because yesterday our cutlery stand broke and my mom looked at me like, "तू craft करती है ना? बना दे कुछ." And guess what she offered me for motivation? Cup noodles. Our cutlery was literally everywhere. Phones here, fork there, knives hiding like they are playing hide and seek. And mom said, "मुझे बस एक जगह चाहिए." And when my mom says something like that, you know it's not a request. After eating a cup noodles, I was about to throw the cup. But then my brain said, wait, this is strong, this is round, this is kitchen related. And suddenly I thought, if it's kitchen, then who rules the kitchen? The chef. And that's how the cute shape cutlery stand idea was born. So first I made the shape. For that I took some metalware and shaped it like exactly what you are seeing on screen. Don't worry about perfection. Just give a basic human shape. Then I took some newspaper and wrapped it around the wire to create a volume. Because without volume, our shape would look like he skipped meals. Once I liked the shape, I fixed everything properly using glue. Now for the base, I took a thick cardboard and cut it into the shape I wanted. Then I measured the cup properly. This step is very important because if the hole is loose, the cup will move. So I carefully sketched the circle according to the cup size. Then I cut a hole in the center. I placed the cup inside, perfectly fit. After that, I attached the shape beside it and now it's already started looking like a proper stand. After that, I applied wall putty all over the figure. This step is very important because wall putty gives that smoothie, 3D, clay-like finish. Slowly, step by step, I started adding detail. Hat, mustache, bow, hand, small expression, and honestly, this is my favorite part. It's feel like the character is slowly coming alive in your hands. Once the figure was complete, I let it rest for 3 to 4 hours to dry completely. Meanwhile, I cleaned the noodles cup properly. Then I sanded the surface a little bit so that the paint sticks nicely. After that, I painted it black. And while the paint was drying, I kept thinking, what design should I add? Since it's a kitchen item, I decided to draw small food items on the surface like little burger, vegetables, chilies, cute teeny details so that the whole vibe feels fun and kitchen friendly. You know what I love about making crafts for home? It's not just decoration, it's a memory. Every time my mom kept a spoon here, she will remember I made this, and that feeling is priceless. Now just have a look. I was talking to you guys and I had already started coloring the shape. I did not even realize how fast the time was going. First I painted the base color, then slowly I started adding shades, little highlights, teeny details and eyes. That's the moment when the figure actually starts looking alive. And also started coloring the vegetables, small carrot, little green capsicum. I love this part because colors make everything look cheerful. Before color, it's look like a rough project, but after color, it look like a proper decor piece. What should I make next? Tell me in the comments.